Rally 14, Academy Tower.
Rally 14.
You are declaring an emergency right now?
I just have a wheel chock on my wing strut right now.
Just for a heads up, there is a emergency aircraft inbound for the center, and we're going to stop, grab movement until he comes in.
Both runway operations are suspended. To initial, you're going to be an east break, and you're going to east break to the center runway. You'll be a full stop on the center, but normal break to the east.
Rally 14, break to the east, land on 34 center, Rally 14.
You can expect to stay my frequency, report a right base for runway 34 center.
Right base for 34 center, Rally 14.
Rally 14, runway 34 center, wind 3406, clear to land.
34 center, clear to land, Rally 14. Ground.
Rally 14, roger, continue upwind and stand by. Shark 72, is there any way you can make a 180 and get back into the run-up area for the fire truck? Thank you. Right close, traffic approved. Right close.
Right close, traffic, Rally 14. 70, also north area 95.
We're right base for runway 34 center.
Report base, Rally 14. Report base.
Rally 14, runway 34 center, wind 3505, clear to land.
34 center, clear to land, Rally 14.
It'll work. You can just exit the runway right there. Full 77, break point straight through.
Break point straight through, full 77.